Once again, welcome guys. Today we have Honor 9 Lite. So, without much wasting your time, let's directly dive into the video. Let's unbox this Honor 9 Lite and have a look on quick specs of this device. It comes with Android Oreo and have Kirin 659 octa-core processor. It comes with two variants with 3GB RAM or 4GB RAM and have 5.6-inch Full HD display with 13 plus 2 megapixel on both sides and have 3000 mAh battery. And now let's see what we will get inside the box. So here you will get few documents. One of it is the quick start guide and the other is the warranty card. By the way, the SIM card slot given in this ROM is hybrid, so there is no dedicated space for SD card. And here is the SIM card ejector tool pin. And here is the charger adapter which gives 5V as output, which is equivalent to 2 ampere. So it does not support super fast charging. So you will not get USB type C as your cable, but you will get USB 2.0 for charging your phone. So its charge has average. And here is the Honor phone. As you can see on the back, you will get classy panel which looks nice in terms of design. And Honor is given 18:9 display ratio, which also gives premium look to this phone. And talking about the camera, you will get 2 and 13 megapixel on the front facing camera, and also on the back you will get 2 and 13 megapixel rear camera, which is same as front camera. And also you will get fingerprint sensor, which works very well and is very responsive. And there is nothing on the top, but don't worry, you will get audio jack on the back and a mic and charging port and the speaker, which is good enough for listening music and playing games. And on the left there is nothing except SIM card slot. And on the right you will get volume rockers and a power button. That's all for now. Stay connected for more videos and make sure you have subscribed our channel and also share the video as much as you can. And for tips and tricks, please watch the next video. Link is given in the description.